Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup today. Now I'm going to give a disclaimer. I am not an expert. I'm not a pro at all. I'm actually a beginner, but I just learned how to actually do it from watching other YouTubers. So I'm going to show you what I do, and feel free to give me some tips on things that you do or things that I should do that you've noticed in my video. So I am going to have a mirror right here. So if you see me looking over here, that's why. I haven't really gotten the film thing down pat 100%. So for starters, I always start with a clean face. So I've already washed my face, and I also wipe my face with these Cetaphil gentle cleansing wipes before I get started, just to make sure. I'm going to be using Lancôme Ultra Wear today, and I have the shade 460W, or it says 460 Sue W. I always get a shade darker than my normal skin tone because in the summer I get really tan, and I don't like to buy two different foundations. So in the winter I just wear a color that's not my color. So this is my beauty blender that I'm going to use. It's a little, I've only used it twice, which is surprising. These things don't last very long. But so I'm just gonna put a little bit on here, like that much, and I'm gonna tap it on my face. Please excuse my edges. I haven't learned how to do them yet. I'm gonna do it a second time, and then I'm gonna rub. I'm gonna go ahead and start tapping in. One thing that I will say about this beauty blender though is it does blend makeup in really well. I guess that is its purpose, huh? It blends in very well, so I'll give it that. I actually don't know how to pick my color. I had the girl at Sephora do it because it looked a little overwhelming, all those colors, and you have like so many different brands of foundation, so many different colors. Make sure you get under here. One thing that I hate about makeup, wearing makeup, pretty much the only thing that I hate is that when you take pictures, it's just, I don't know, with the flash on, it's just not the same. So this is how it looks so far. I feel like I don't have much on. I don't know, but I'm gonna put a little bit more, like that much more. My problem area, because my skin really isn't that bad, but my problem area is under my eyes. I absolutely hate this. So if you guys have a solution for that, let me know. I need like some type of tightening cream or hiding cream or something. Even my concealer doesn't hide the pockets under my eyes, and I get 8 hours of sleep every night, so I don't know why I have those. Could be genetics, I don't know. Okay, that's my base layer foundation. Very minimal. It looks, I feel like it looks very natural. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that. I'm just gonna beat my face, light beat. After that, I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer, and I'm using the color Praline, which is medium 3. Again, Sephora matched me because I wouldn't know how to match myself. And I'm really trying to target these pockets under my eyes. Like, I feel like they're making me age and look old, and I don't like that. So, tribal vibes. We're just gonna take the beauty blender, but I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use it like this and just blend. This looks kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. But if I just keep beating, it'll all make sense. I mean, the point is to highlight these areas. And don't worry, I'm gonna go in with some brown anyway, brown myself out. I'd rather have a extra brown face than an extra ghost face. But hey, this concealer is working. This is supposed to be like the #1 concealer according to Allure and the girls at Sephora. What a highlight. Look at my lip. Okay, so this is the fun part. I am going to blend under my eyes, and I'm going to show you that concealer really don't do nothing for me, but we're just going to pray. And I'm using this side. Now, it is a really good concealer, but I can still see that eye pocket. It's not as bad, but you can definitely see it. And I'm bringing it down into the side of my nose a little bit too. Gosh, it just blends so well. It like melts into my skin. This is a lovely formula. And the Lancôme, I swear by that stuff. Like, I feel like you can barely tell that I have anything on. That I feel like is like the perfect match for my skin tone, especially in the summer. It's just perfect. Now we're looking freshly highlighted. How do we feel? We feel great. We feel great! Okay. Highlighted face. So next I'm going to do some contour. So I'm going to be using this Fenty Cream. It can be used as a contour or a bronzer. I'm using it as a contour. I absolutely love the packaging on this. It's a mirror on the outside and a mirror on the inside. It's like so classy, like such a classy little compact, and it says Fenty Beauty on the inside. Like, I absolutely love this. This is my favorite. Like, I really bought this only because of the packaging. Like, how cute. Anyway, I got the color Chocolate, which is the darkest color they have because I wanted it to be a contour. I tried the Caramel Cutie color, but it directly matched my skin tone. So I'm just gonna, this is a cream, which I like it more than the powder, and I'm just gonna dab it. Also guys, tell me what brushes to get. I'm on the hunt for good brushes, because the brushes that I have, I don't know if they're good or not. They were just like given to me, and I just kind of go with it. And I mean, hey, this looks like a cool contour brush, so why not? So I'm gonna contour the bottom, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend it. Now, I'm gonna take the bottom to do my nose. I'm gonna do a dot there. This side. I'm gonna draw. Because I think that contouring your nose is just so cool. I just can never get the highlight part down. And I'm gonna make a circle. A whole full circle. Yeah. Because I have a big nose. I mean, it's not like huge, but it's pretty big. So that's how we're gonna do our contour. Woo, look at my face. And I'm gonna do a highlight in the middle. I forgot my nose. Just a highlight. I love that this is a tiny brush. So there's that. And we're going to take our beauty blender. Oh, I forgot my forehead. I'm gonna take my forehead. Gotta do the forehead. And I'm just going to blend, blend, blend. Beat my face again. You know, soft beat. That is not supposed to be there. You know what I use when I don't want something to be on my face? These. These are horrible for applying makeup. If you want to take something off, use these. I'm very impatient, so that's why I could never do my makeup every day. But I know that with practice makes perfect, so I'm just gonna keep practicing until I get it right. Maybe like once or twice a week, and then Maybe it'll get easier. But I'm like really slow at this. I look like I just like fell out of a chimney or something. Like, look at my face. But I promise it's gonna get better. I feel like I'm getting beautiful already. And no, I am not doing makeup in my kitchen. I actually have a desk over here. So I'm sitting at my desk. I've actually turned my desk into my vanity. So that's what we've got going on over here. This desk was initially for my boyfriend to play video games, but I've put all of my makeup on top of his PS4, so he won't be playing any games. By choice. He just doesn't play. So I was like, let me just use this space. I mean, Lancôme is just so awesome. Wow. If you need a foundation, go with Lancôme, like seriously. I have tried so many different ones. I was using Maybelline Fit Me for the longest of time, and it was cool, but it didn't like go into my skin how I wanted it to. It was like, it looked like a cheap foundation. And then I tried Anastasia Beverly Hills. I couldn't really get the right color match for me, and it was very oily. I tried their liquid and I tried their match stick, their like foundation stick. And then I also tried NARS because I know a lot of people that swear by NARS, and NARS just didn't do it for me. Like, I got the right color and stuff, but it just looked weird. Like, it looked like I had makeup on, and it just like didn't do well with my skin. But Lancôme, it just goes on so nice like butter. And so now I'm gonna do my nose. This is really hard, so I'm gonna use the tip and just boom, 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 boom. Bring that up. Just the tip. Also, guys, tell me a good edge control, because as you can see, I did my edges before this video started, and look at them now. I feel like I have 4C hair, and I watch YouTube videos on girls with 4C hair and the edge controls they use, and that stuff does not work for me. So please give me some recommendations on some good edge control, because it's not even humid in here. Like, I'm not even sweating, and why does my face look like this? I mean my hair, not my face. Why does my hair look? Another trick, I do have one. I want my nose to look like more sharp. I just stick it up like this for like 20 seconds. It worked a little bit. Okay, so next, this is gonna sound really weird, but I do my mascara next. I hate when I have my eyeshadow on already, and then I put mascara on, and then I have to do my eyeshadow over. So I do my mascara while I'm doing my foundation. That way, I can fix it how I need to with the foundation. I'm gonna use Better Than Sex Waterproof Too Faced mascara. I got the little one because I wanted to try it out first, because I try a lot of different mascaras. I haven't learned how to do eyelashes yet like the girls, so I'm gonna do this for like a long time. Okay, then I'm just gonna go in with one of those Cetaphil wipes and just wipe where I messed up at. Okay, top and the bottom. I also have a makeup eraser claw that my boyfriend's mom gave me. This is what it looks like. I really, really like it, but I've used it so much, it's so dirty. But I don't know what chemicals are in this, but you could literally just use it and then one wipe and it's gone. So that's nice. I like my makeup eraser. Now I'm gonna put some blush on. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna do blush. I love blush. I'm using this Tarte blush, and the color is Paaarty. It's called Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. So, moving a beauty blush brush. Ah, I love it! there's my blush. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face while I'm doing my eyes. So we're gonna do, of course, the baddest bee in the makeup game, Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm gonna take a little pad and put some setting powder under my eyes. I probably should have did this before I put blush on, but hey, I'm new, so I have an excuse to mess up. And we're gonna bake like we're a chocolate chip. I am really horrible with eyebrows. Please don't laugh at me. I normally go and get them tinted so that I don't even have to worry about it. But today I'm just gonna do a light fill. I promise this is horrible. Like, I'm horrible with this. I am going to use this Tartelette in Bloom palette from Tarte. This is the best palette ever. It's like my only palette. Look at the colors. Like, the first color that I'm gonna use is Leader right here. Next, I'm gonna take Rebel, which is like a shade. Then Leader. I'm gonna put that in my crease. Boom. Then I'm gonna take my finger, little pop of color, and I'm gonna do the funny girl. It's basically glitter. Then I'm gonna take Smarty Pant, which is like this tan color, and I'm gonna just put it on top of there to kind of tone down the glitter a little bit. Then I'm gonna take my finger, do Leader again, in the edge there. We're gonna take this other, like a darker brown glitter here, and put that in the corner. Next, we're going to dust this off. I feel like my face is really bright right now, so I'm gonna do some bronzer. It's the Maybelline Master Contour. I'm gonna use the contour around. Next, I'm gonna do my lips, which is my favorite to use, MAC Cork lip pencil. I need to smile. I underline my bottom lip. And then I just regular line my regular lip, my top lip. Then I go in with my MAC Influentially It, which is a really, really perfect nude. I'm using this MAC lip gloss. It's called Nice Buzz. It's got glitter in it. Voila. Look at those lips. Now, the final step, the most imperative final step, Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I have oily skin and I still use this because watch what happens. Magic. Like, look at my face. It sets things in perfectly. It gives you that finishing touch. Like, what? Look at what it did to my face. Let me fix my edges for you guys. This raggedy ass edge control. Okay guys, this is the final look. Put my hair down so y'all can get the full effect of it. And there you go. This is how I look far away. And this is how I look close up. If you liked this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'm gonna put all the products in the comment box. So.